I feel like if you want to smack someone in the head, you would probably kill them or something. I don't know. Ouch. My hair is so naughty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. My name is Marilyn. So today I am going to be doing
not a tutorial.
I'm going to be showing you how I do my eye makeup again. And today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And it smells delicious.
Yes. I wonder if it tastes delicious too. I want to try it out.
But anyways, before I begin, I want to show you guys my beautiful new brushes. I just got them from Amazon. They come in this little pouch here. They are Harry Potter makeup brushes. They are so pretty.
Hold on. Let me get my shit together.
So here are my new makeup brushes. They are Harry Potter themed. And so as you can see, they are wands. Here's the other ones. So here they are. They're so freaking pretty and cute. I think this is Harry Potter's wand right here. It's so cute. But I'm super happy that I got these because I needed more makeup brushes.
And I was on Amazon and for some reason they popped up and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need them.
And they were only like $11 or $12. It has a couple of blending brushes and other brushes. I don't know the exact name for them, but yeah. I'm super happy that I got these. And they are really heavy.
I feel like if you want to smack someone in the head, you would probably kill them or something. I don't know.
But anyways, they're like super heavy.
So don't smack anyone in the back of the head if you get these.
So I will be using these today. Hopefully I like them. Let's see how it goes. And I think these makeup brushes are a dupe for the original makeup brushes. But anyways, let's begin. So I'm going to begin applying an eyeshadow base. And today I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup White Base. This is what it looks like. I've never tried this before, so let's see how it goes.
I think base and primer are the same thing, right? If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below.
Because I don't know, you guys. Like I said, I'm fairly new to eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. It's just white. I think I'm using a brush that had glitter before. Or maybe the base has glitter, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm trying to do like a purpley pink look, so I'm going to go in with a shade Black Currant, which is this purple down here. And I'm going to apply it in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Brushes are kind of flimsy. And hair is falling out. I don't know, I think I got ripped off. I think these brushes are just for display or something because the little hairs are falling off. Not sure, but I think this base did have glitter. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I'm just saying. But I think this eyeshadow has glitter too. I'm gonna get more of that purple and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray just to... I just want to try to see if I can make that purple more bright. Now with a flat brush, I'm going to go in with a Totally Fetch pink shade down here and apply it in the center of my eye. And I think I'm gonna wet my brush. I think they look about the same. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another blending brush and I'm going to go in to the shade Almond Truffle, this one right here, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Smells good. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I applied eyeliner and mascara, and on my lips I obviously had chapstick on, and on top of it I added some lipstick, the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter in the shade Acai Berry, this one right here. It's like obviously like a berry color, but since I had chapstick on, it looks kind of sheer, but I really like how it looks. Anyways, now I'm going to be adding some purple to the bottom of my eye with this brush right here. Hopefully it's not a mistake. I don't know, I think I'm not a big fan of having eyeshadow on the bottom. I think I just like having eyeliner on the bottom. Okay, now in my inner corner, I'm going to be adding some of the shade Sprinkles. This one right here. This one. It's like a really light pink. I'm gonna wet my brush. Looks like a rose gold. I don't know how well it looks with this eye look, but I like it. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute with the purple. It kind of looks brownish, but like it looks purple depending on the angle. And I really like the pop of pink in the center. And I really like my inner corner, so it looks like a rose gold pink. But yeah, I'm still learning, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Oh, and before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to 3 people. The first one is Chris and Kathy. They also have a YouTube channel. They do makeup and they're super funny, and right now they're actually doing a giveaway. So you guys should go check them out. I will be linking their channel in the description box. And I also want to give a shout out to Queenof LA. That's her YouTube channel name. I will be leaving her link in the description box as well. And the last person I want to give a shout out to is to ZD Lifestyle. She makes makeup videos, fashion videos, and all that good stuff. I will also be linking her channel in the description box, so you guys could go check her out. But yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Ouch, my hair is so naughty. Naughty. Tangled, that's what I mean.